Question. So, as you mentioned, IMO has been here in the Philippines for the longest time. I think we've been here for 80 years. And we are entrusted by Filipinos to be market leader. So, that comes with a responsibility as well. We want to grow the category in the Philippines. And more importantly, we want to innovate to come with a better solution, I think, for our consumers. And if we look at the consumer information, we understand that there's a growing demand, especially for the cooling segment. And that's very well fitted with the fast-paced life that our, especially Gen Z, like does to be able, I think, to keep up with the daily demands. I think we want to come with something that make IMO stay relevant, especially among the younger generations. So, consumer demands, and then secondly, we also think and we believe from our learning from other markets, the cool segment is something new and coming, up and coming for the segment in eye drop category that will help to spur further the growth of eye drop in the Philippines.
Thank you.
Queen, so it's weird that a beauty queen asks you a question.
Sir, you have 45 seconds to answer.
Start now. All right, so this really is an innovation, and the cooling sensation is something that we want to reach to the Gen Zs and the millennials, because for 80 years we've been talking with people already for the ages 40 years old and above, and they know the brand by heart. Now, the people 40 years old and below, most of them belong to our generation. And most of them are not really into taking care of their eyes. So that's the reason why IMO, Comifar, and of course, with partnership with DCH Toliga and IMS Asia Philippines, we want to have this product to be available and accessible to the youth. Now, why? Because we want to evolve. Basically, we want to be relevant, and being relevant means that you keep on producing products that is going to be used by all the target consumers. And at the same time, we think with our very warm climate, IMO Cool is really one of the innovative products today.
Thank you. Cool red eyes. So fit into your daily routine. And what do you personally love most about its cooling and refreshing effect?
Well, for me personally talaga, ever since pumasok ako sa showbiz, college ako, nag-study ako, ito content, like many Gen Zs do, of course. Sensitive talaga yung eyes ko when it comes to like lights, sun, heat. So talagang mahilig kasi ako mag-explore. So, nag-try ng glasses. But for me, na-realize ko na kailangan pala yung mata ko laging moisturize. Kailangan pala may care din, diba?
Skincare. Lahat meron tayo.
So,
hair care.
parang yung eye care din pala, importante. So ever since, every day, dala-dala ko na siya sa bag ko. Dala-dala ko na siya sa pocket ko. Yung makeup artist ko, alam niya na lagi akong humihingi sa kanya ng eye drops. Kasi talagang, for me, ibang klase pag fresh yung eyes mo eh. Mas relaxed ka, mas ready ka to meet people, to talk, mas confident ka, kasi mas clear yung eyes mo eh. Pag irritated kasi, for me, parang siya stressful.
Yes,
diba?
tapos parang hindi ka pa nagsisimula sa araw mo, pero pagod ka na.
Pagod ka na,
Right?
exactly. So, yun, ever since. Tapos yun na nilaunch yung IMO Cool Eye Drop. Yun, sabi ko, wow, may cooling effect. So to answer your question, yun yung favorite ko, yung cooling effect. Kasi nakaka-refresh at nakaka-recharge talaga siya.
Yes. Thank you so much, Dustin. Alright, everybody, the floor is now open.
IMO Philippines is the brainchild of a national eye care awareness campaign in the Philippines. We started this one in 2017, and every year we do that. And we're the only eye eye care company who does that every year. And the main objective and advocacy is really to create awareness for eye care, not only eye care but also healthy eyesight. And we want everybody to be advised and learn that there are products that you can use for certain eye diseases or eye problems. So we should not rely just on water because the Philippines is very matiisin and nonchalant. But with the National Eye Care Awareness Campaign that we do, we create eye care awareness and education so that people will be at par and educated with the healthy eyesight. Yeah.
Madalas po kasi talagang mamula ang mata ko pag-expose ako sa phone. Lapit mo pa, be. Pag-expose ako masyado sa computer, sa phone, sa gadgets, kapag mainit, may allergies, and pag nagsashabu, namumula po talaga yung mata ko. So, ano po yung advice nyo sa mga gumagamit or gagamit ng iMocool? How often pwede siyang gamitin? May limit po ba to? Ganun. Parang as a user ng
I the question. So, if you buy actually iMo, nasa packaging yun eh. Hindi tayo nagbabasal. So, okay. Joke lang. Joke lang. Just making the atmosphere light. So, it's very standard. You have to use it at least 4 times a day, every 2 to 3 hours, 1 to 2 drops. Yun. Tapos, for the tetrahydrozoline, our recommendation is for this to be used only for 3 days. Kasi after 3 days, if symptoms persist, you have to consult your doctor. Yeah, so the tetrahydrozoline kasi very effective yan as antiseptic, and it has the anti-decongestant property na instant yung relief ng red eyes. So everybody, I know you have used iMo. When you put iMo in your eyes, after 30 seconds, wala na siya. So very effective. That's why we encourage the consumers to observe, and after 3 days, ganun pa din, doctor dapat din.
Give back, I think the trust that Filipino consumers have given us as a market leader. We want to continue giving the best product that's relevant. And we believe the eye drop category in the Philippines, as big as it is today, there's still room for growth. And we can offer more and better solution, and which is relevant to the consumers' changing lifestyle. So, in fact, as I speak right now, we got some exciting innovation pipeline already. But that's up for later. Not for today, but yes. So we are excited to share when the time is due. Yeah. So thank you for the questions.
Thank you.
Is recommended for 6 years old and above. Yeah, so you can use it.
And no need for prescription?
No prescription needed. It's over the counter. You can buy it instantly in the drugstores.
Alright, thank you po. Yun lang.
Very easy.
In the Philippine market because it's been a long time and iMo is really talagang Pinoy, at least in the context of the Philippines, iMo talaga yung that first that comes to mind. So thank you very much for introducing this variant. My question is, we're so thankful for this variant, but being Gen Alpha as well. At
Alpha yata attendance
at naka-eye glasses. Of course, this is for the Gen Z, pero yes, magbabayad din po kami para bumili nito. I'm just curious if it's in the pipeline because some of us are wearing contact lenses. So, is there anything from the 3 variants na pwede sa contact lenses, or if it's not, or if this product is good for contact lenses as well, or if it's not, do you have plans of releasing something in the market na can use can
For
be
contact lenses.
contact lenses friendly.
To answer your... Ano pa kami? Ako na lang. Ako muna. Okay. So first, for the question of contact lenses, users of contact lenses can use IMO, of course. But you have to take it off. Yes, take it off first. You cannot put the product while you're wearing your contact lenses. Take it off, and then mas ma-absorb kasi ng eyes natin yung formulation. So, pikit tayo, tapos take it all in. And then after that,
Put it back on.
take it back on. And for the second question, I think for
Yeah,
the...
so the second
plan.
part of the question, whether we will or we are looking into introducing a product that can be used while wearing the contact lens, yes, that's something that we are also looking into. So wait,
Thank you.
coming soon.
Very soon.